ang sukatan ng pagiging Pilipino? Ano ang timbang ng iyong puso? Gaano kalalim ang angking lakas, talino at galing? Gaano kataas ang kaya mong abutin? Para matansya kung gaano nakalayo ang iyong narating. Nararapat lang na lumingon kung saan ka nanggaling.
Laban Pilipinas! Puso!
Fajardo is there for the Validel, free for the three. Yes, sir! Mingles throws it down. Enorio, baseline move. Ang pambansang reverse. Cross-court, Jack Chan for three. Yes, sir! Stop, Mingu. Punta taga, he gave Norman. Ball gets down and says, get out of here. Gary, he launches another one. Bang! Castro, hinanap si Chavez for the two-handed throwdown. Jimmy launches it. Bang!
Right now, Larry finding heaven.
Puso lang, because nothing else but pure heart.
Sa larangan ng men's basketball, isa na ang Pilipinas sa angat na mga koponan sa Asya ngayon. Kasalukuyang ranked 31st in the world, ikalima rin ang Pilipinas sa buong Asya. Ngunit kailan lang din lamang siya umangat ng ganito kataas, matapos manggaling sa ilang taong pagkalugmok. Noong 2008, sinimulan ang Gilas Pilipinas program na pinangunahan ni Coach Raiko Toroman.
Started late 2008, no? When we hired the services of then head coach Raiko Toroman, no? The Serbian mentor of Iran before. His biggest item on his resume nung nanalo siya sa FIBA Asia at dinala niya ang Iran sa Beijing Olympics. Now, the vision was to form a Gilas Pilipinas lineup made up of the best collegiate players and keep them together for at least 3 years para preparation for FIBA Asia in Wuhan, which was the qualifier for the London Olympics naman.
Mula sa koponan na binuo ng mga up-and-coming amateur cagers ng Pilipinas, nadagdagan ng unang gilas ng naturalized import at iilang pros mula sa PBA.
And at that time, it also was the idea of the SBP under the presidency na rin ni MVP na to look for a guy we can naturalize. Until we found Marcus, who was more mature, more seasoned veteran, and swerte naman natin at through the help of Congress and Senate na-naturalize natin siya. We were already reinforced by the PBA, sila Ranidel de Ocampo, Kelly Williams, Asi, and Jimmy were the ones who reinforced that Gilas 1.0.
The Gilas 1 guys, they were around together for a while, so they knew the system. And we were trying to learn the system, and we didn't get the breaks.
Those players worked extremely hard to start the program. Ideally, with myself, Asi, Kelly Williams, and Ranidel, we were added really at the last minute.
Saved by Dalton. Here's Jamie Ignacio on the move. Lassiter block. Lassiter good. I thought that Gilas needed this exposure because ang hinaharap nila yung matinding challenge sa FIBA Asia Championships.
Sumabak ang Gilas Pilipinas sa 2011 FIBA Asian Championships sa Wuhan, China. Pero nabitin sila sa torneo, finishing at 4th place.
We came in 4th place. For some reason, we just didn't get the breaks. You know, a kind of tough situation that we were in, especially, you know, combining the Gilas one, the amateur guys, with us PBA guys. We came in together, and I think the chemistry wasn't all there.
In an ideal situation, wish we would have had more time, but the month and a half, 2 months that we had with them, you know, we did the best we could, and I thought we still performed well in Wuhan.
Bagamat kinapos sa medalya, nakita naman ang potensyal ng programa. Kaya't sa 2012, sa pamumuno naman ni Coach Chot Reyes, nagsimula ang Gilas 2.0 na mas pinalakas ng mga bukod-tanging manlalaro ng PBA.
SBB decided to replace Coach Raiko, whose contract expired rin naman, with Coach Chot Reyes. 2012 Jones Cup, and sunerte naman tayo. It was our first championship in so many years.
Smart Gilas Pilipinas susubukang iuwi ang tropeo ng Jones Cup. Ating pagtatapat sa United States of America.
Inside, outside, Fonacher, favorite shot, Enric Jose. LA binubuhat ng Team Pilipinas with his great play. LA Tenorio has been the man at the moment, making good passes, making good decisions, and making the Philippines look really good.
Sa sumunod na taon, nadagdagan pa ng biyaya ang Pilipinas. Nauna nang natalo ito sa bidding para sa pag-host ng 2013 FIBA Asian Championships. Ngunit dahil sa sigalot sa nanalong host country na Lebanon, ipinasa na sa Pilipinas ang pag-host nito.
To explain the value of Boss MVP in us getting the FIBA hosting. Executive Director Sonny Barrios and also his SBP staff, they were very instrumental.
Huge advantage for us. You know, again, everyone knows how much we love the game of basketball here in our country, and you know, for us to get an opportunity to display that love and that passion, and you know, to have that sort of atmosphere. Considering it was the first time we'd hosted the FIBA Asia in, you know, close to 40 years. I'm just glad that we were able to go out there and get the job done and share that moment with every Filipino here at home.
Sa muling pagbalik ng Asian Championship sa bansa, nagdiwang ang sambayanang sabik sa world-class basketball. Dahil sa magandang draw sa groupings, home crowd support, at pagdagdag ng PBA stars, mas tumaas ang tsansa ng mas maliit na koponan ng Pilipinas para lundagin ang mas malalaking mga kalaban mula sa Asia. Tulad ng inaasahan, malayo ang narating ng Gilas sa 2013 FIBA Asian Championships. Dala ng pinagsamang galing at effort ng Gilas 2.0 at suporta ng sambayanan. Sa semis, hinigitan ng Gilas sa isang makasaysayang pagkapanalo ang matagal nang naging pasakit sa national team, ang South Korea.
Bigness with a rebound, and the curse of Korea is about to be broken here inside the MOA Arena.
The Philippines is in the finals.
Gilas Pilipinas books a ticket to Spain next year. What a performance by Gilas!
Natapos ang Gilas na muling nakaapak sa podium ng Asian Championships. Sa unang pagkakataon, mula pa noong dekada 80. Higit pa rito, nakapag-qualify na muli ang Pilipinas sa World Championships. Matapos ang humigit kumulang na 4 na dekada.
Won state championships in high school and things like that, but there's no feeling of playing for something bigger than yourself. You know, winning and qualifying not for just our team but for our country. And you know, I get goosebumps right now. I get goosebumps every time I talk about it, and I don't think that'll ever change.
So it was really halong-halong emotion. Yung emotion of relief and then also the emotion of genuine joy, panghihinayang that, you know, some people who were very close to me, who were very instrumental in getting me to that point, were not around. Lahat ng emotion na yun lumabas na parang tidal wave, bumuhos at
Dahil sa bukod-tanging pagkakataon na ito, mas pinalakas pa ang koponan ng Gilas ng ilan pang bukod-tanging manlalaro.
Yes! Wow! Wow! From the 4th place spot to a podium finish courtesy of first-time national player Paul Dalistanley.
Sinuyod ng Gilas ang iba't ibang bansa para mag-training at makaharap ang iba't ibang international opponents.
Big risk. The shot clock expires.
Easy yung mga shots na nakukuha natin among all the players.
Bo Belga, of course, had a 3 and had a nice fake.
Sa bawat araw ng pagsasanay ay may nakasabit na karagdagang sakripisyo.
Pinakamahirap yun, hindi mo mayakap yung mga mahal mo sa buhay dahil siyempre nandito ka nagtitrain para sa bayan.
You know, I think the toughest part of the training isn't really the training itself. It's being away from, you know, my wife and my son. But again, you know, it's part of the sacrifice. You know, but it was great today. It's kind of gave everybody some renewed energy.
Pero kasabay naman ng bawat pinuntahang lugar, kitang-kita ang naging suporta ng ating mga kababayan para sa hangaring magtagumpay ang Pilipinas sa world stage.
Super bawas po ang homesick dahil nandito ang Gilas, Pilipinas.
Masayang-masaya kami dahil ang maglalaro ay puro Pinoy.
Vamos, Pilipinas! Vamos, Gilas!
Bang!
You guys to look up there for a minute. Look at all those flags. We're right beside number 2, number 1, number 5. I don't think we've seen that in a long time. Let's play tomorrow like we belong here. Let's prove to everybody. Prove to everybody. Let's prove to ourselves, all our supporters back home, that we belong to be right there, right beside those superpowers. This is it, gentlemen.
We're here, baby. We're here, fellas. We're here.
40 years, one whole lifetime. Now see yourselves back in the same dugout a couple of hours later. You're tired, your bodies are sore, but you're happy. You're slapping high fives to everybody in this room because we just played a great game.
Bago magsimula ang torneo, hindi naging klaro sa marami ang maaaring maatim ng Gilas kontra sa dominanting mga koponan mula sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo.
Gentlemen, enjoy it, thrive in it. Okay? Feel everybody's strength. Go out there as a team together. Here we go! Laban Pilipinas! Puso!
Ngunit nang maglaon, napalitan ang nakababaon na pagdududa ng nakagigimbal at nakapagpapalundag na pag-asa.
We are headed into overtime. Floating into the front court, we need a three. Castro puts it up off the glass. He was bumped. No whistle at the buzzer, and that'll do it. Gilas will go down by 3 points, but what a performance here, Quinito. A standing ovation from the Filipinos in attendance. Ibang klase ang ating pinakita.
Nagulat, madami tayong ginulat in that FIBA world na sino ba tong mga Pilipinas, ano ba tong gilas-gilas na tong? And now they know. Not making it to the second round, if that was the objective, I think the objective was really not to be tourists. And we were really up against bigger teams, taller teams. Not that I'm saying where we weren't prepared. We were prepared, but maybe in time. In time, we will have more wins. In time, we'll probably go further and farther into the tournament in the future World Cups. At least nakasampa na tayo.
I think it's the puso of the Filipino, and I think it's something that's in our DNA. And I think we don't know any better but to fight. And again, we showed it again tonight against a tough Greece team. But when you're playing the best teams in the world, you have to sustain that fighting heart, the whole 40 minutes. And I thought we've done a really good job here these first 2 games. But we still need to get 2 wins. So we'll take our chance tomorrow night against Argentina.
Habang naglalakad, nakikita mo yung mga kababayan mo, tapos papapicture sila, tapos yung iba walang boses, napaus na kasi sigaw. Maririnig mo talaga sa kanila na talagang paus na sila. Yan. So talaga na-appreciate namin yung pagpunta nila dito.
Bawat laro, mas napabilib ang mga saksi ng Gilas. Mapapinoy man o dayuhan. Ngunit sa bawat dikit na pagkatalo, mas naging masakit ang pagtanggap ng mga ito.
Sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin na sumuporta sa mga bawat laro, alam namin na nanginayang kayong lahat. Sana patuloy pa rin yung suporta niyo sa amin, manalo, matalo tayo, sama-sama tayo para sa bayan.
To everybody back home and all over the world that might see this, we appreciate all your prayers, all your support. Even the haters out there, that pushes us as well. So whether you love us or hate us, we left everything we could on the court, and hopefully we end this tournament on a win.
Long we will be here when our time has come. But I want you to pause, close your eyes, and think about the people who really matter. I am so proud to be a part of this team. So proud to be your leader.
Di man sila nakaangat patungo sa second round, di pa rin tumigil ang Gilas sa pakikipaglaban. Pinilit pa rin nilang tapusin ang kanilang historic World Championship stint on a high note.
Junmar inside, ties the game at 71. Closes it, but he recovers and gives us that layup. Hey, Jimmy makes it a 5-point lead. Gilas Pilipinas finally picks up a victory. Taas noo, nakapanalo sa pandaigdigang entablado.
Sa huli, nasungkit pa rin ng Gilas ang unang pagkapanalo ng Pilipinas sa world stage. Sa humigit kumulang na 40 taon.
I'm close to the end of my career than I get to the start, so that's a long time. But again, tonight's win meant so much to the guys in the locker room, the coach, the rest of our staff, and all of our supporters here in Sofia, everyone back home in the Philippines, and even all of our supporters around the world. And we all deserve this win.
Maliban dito, muli nang nakilala ang Philippine brand of basketball at pati na rin ang passion ng mga Pinoy para sa sport na ito. Sa wakas, muling naitatak sa mapa ng mundo ang kalidad at karakter ng Pinoy basketball.
This was great, but now we got Korea on our minds next. Okay, we're going to be grouped with Iran. Okay, 2 out of the 3 go forward. Your experience here is going to make you a hell of a team, guys. Game, gentlemen, here we go. Laban Pilipinas!
Sa ipinakita sa FIBA World Championships, mataas ang naging antas ng paglalaro ng Gilas Pilipinas. Kaya naman mataas na rin ang naging expectations ng lahat sa pagsabak ng Gilas sa Asian Games. Ilang linggo lang mula sa torneo sa Espanya. Ngunit sa umpisa pa lamang, iilang mga bagong hadlang ang lumitaw para pahirapan ang pag-arangkada ng pambansang koponan.
Nanindigan ang Olympic Council of Asia na di pwedeng maglaro ang naturalized Pinoy na si Andre Blatch sa Asian Games. Yan ay matapos sabihin ng FIBA Secretary General na dapat repasuhin ng OCA ang kanilang desisyon.
So it looks like he may have twisted his ankle. Not a good sign for us.
Not a welcome sight for all Philippine basketball fans.
That's one of the things that's been bothering Jason Castro in his career.
Bagamat ganon, lumapag ang koponan sa Incheon, South Korea na may tiwalang maganda pa rin ang maipapakita nilang performance.
Gilas Pilipinas, welcome to Incheon, Puso!
Guys, I've been here for 2 hours. All these guys from all different parts of Korea. That's great.
Here it's very different. Of course, everybody is expecting us to win the gold. So it's still pressure. It's a different kind of pressure, but it's still pressure nonetheless.
Excited to have one more opportunity to go to battle with these guys. You know, we obviously have a tough road ahead of us. So we're going to try to repay them by going out there and playing our best.
Break a sweat, we keep our sharpness, and get used to the new ball.
At ito na nga po ang pagbubukas ng ating kampanya sa larangan ng basketball sa 17th Asian Games na gaganapin ngayon dyan sa Incheon, South Korea.
We gotta make sure that they don't outwork us. Let's go. Okay, let's work. Let's get every loose ball, every 50-50.
Marcus Doughton finally wins the tap para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Doughton leads it off para kay LA. Another 3 on the way. LA Tenorio buries that one. Gilas will wrap up our first victory of the Asian Games. 85-76 will be our final score.
Everything was great except those 20 turnovers. That's where we're gonna get our butt kicked by Iran if we have 20 turnovers, guys. You gotta know that for sure, okay?
Maliban sa ilang dikitang laban, nagmukhang nasa tamang direksyon ang kampanya ng Gilas.
For Gilas Pilipinas in the Asian Games, ang katapat po natin, our very familiar foe, Iran. Barami posting up Norwood, Japet helping out, and that's a traveling violation on Nika Barami. Paul Lee passes it over to Junmar Fajardo, an excellent pass by Paul Lee.
Tayo kaya ng mga to. They can't stay with us. They can't stay with our speed. We just need to make sure that we're helping each other. You see, 30 binigay natin sa first half. They allowed those for free throws, ha? Oh, let's go, let's go. Come on, 20 minutes, gentlemen. Here we go. Laban Pilipinas.
Paul Lee for 3. Yes, sir!
That's the lead for the Philippines.
And ball is back with Kamrani. He fires a 3 and he makes it. And the lead is back with Iran at 61-60. Kamrani and then Barami one-on-one against Fingers. Doughton helping out and Barami connects and he loves that.
You gotta get a shot that's within what we do. And then if we miss that, then we miss that. But every time it's a crucial situation, either we don't get a shot or we take a shot that we never do. I keep telling you again and again, we have a very small margin of error against these teams. Very small.
Hey man, stay together, man. This ain't over. We can walk around here like we're done.
Just start, fellas.
Here we go, Laban Pilipinas!
Para sa loob, great patience by Fajardo. Can stop basket by Kauban Pangfa. Already having gone by in the third, di pa nakakabutas ang Gilas. Pangatlong tres na ang ibinaon sa atin ngayon ng Qatar. Mohamed once again with his second one.
Pero tila parang pumihit patalikod ang magandang ihip ng hangin mula sa nakagugulat na pagkatalo kontra sa Qatar.
Daud may tangan ng bola. Mohamed na naman. Qatar will exact revenge on Gilas Pilipinas after losing to us in the FIBA Asia Championships last year.
Big win by Qatar.
Doesn't owe us anything. Now we have even a harder mountain to climb, a much more difficult challenge. Imbis na dumali, lalo pang humirap. Okay, so after all that's happened, this game might be the real defining moment for Gilas. This game, you'll really make your mark on history. Okay, go out there, go out together, play for each other, run for each other, die for each other. Okay, every ball has our name. Every ball's got our name.
Let's go get it. Loose balls.
We're gonna come out of this victorious. Gotta be ready. Let's be ready to grab that victory. Here we go. Laban Pilipinas.
Uso! Fully aware. Jimmy fires a three. Yes, sir!
All he needs is a little space. Fajardo's more than held his own.
Jimmy Alabang for three. Yes, sir!
10 3-point conversions for Team Pilipinas. At pati po kami ni Nico Lili, tumatayo na dito.
Okay, they cannot stop you. Okay, we gotta make sure we're taking good shots. Let's take good shots and let's keep playing defense, okay?
Keep coming, Blue.
Defense. When Moon gets the ball, crowd him. He doesn't want to drive. All he's doing is step back three-pointers. Huh?
Come on, dig deep, Blue, dig deep. Let's
Run
go.
him out of that three-point line. Here we go. Laban Pilipinas.
Tenorio, here's TJ Moon with a floater, and he gets the bounce, and the lead is back with Korea, 84-82. TJ Moon against Gabe Norwood. Outside, Yang Hee-jong, and he connects with a three.
That's got to hurt. TJ Moon setting up an open teammate.
Korea wins by 2, 97-95.
As well as we could play, they played better. They made some tough shots, some three-pointers. That's the story. Nothing to be ashamed of your effort, guys. Let's find it inside of us to be ready for tomorrow's ball game, huh? Here we go, Laban Pilipinas!
Uso! Just when we thought that everything was lost, pagdating ng gabi, merong blessing na dumating para sa Philippine basketball. The basketball god smiling upon us once again.
Kailangan manalo tayo by at least 11 points.
Jimmy takes the contact, gets the basket, may kasama pang foul! Ilin, the only Kazakh in double figures, 15 points na gawin mong 18. Kazakhstan.
Well, it's been a difficult night para kay Jeff Chan.
67-65 is your final score.
Sa pagkapanalong kinapos sa puntos kontra sa Kazakhstan, ang nagmistulang nasa ulap na lipad ng Gilas ay muling bumagsak sa lupa. Mas lalo na para sa maraming Pinoy na sumubaybay nito. Para sa mga miyembro ng Gilas noon, naging patunay lang ito na marami pang kailangang ihakbang ang programa para maging mas panatag pa ang paglayag nito.
As much success as we had in the World Cup, falling short in Korea, just shows that, there's still room for improvement in the program. And again, it's part of the process. But, with the amount of strides that we've made the last few years, we'll continue to get better, and, we'll continue to work to stay at a world-class level for Gilas.
Having tournaments almost 1-2 weeks apart was not really ideal, no, for any team. Pero not to make excuses for anything, we did not do well. It was admitted. We had to reevaluate what kind of program we should continue with. But in the end, it was decided that this Gilas program is good and it's worth continuing.
Pero maging sa tagumpay man o pagkabigo, di humupa ang suporta ng mga kababayang naging saksi ng harap-harapan sa pakikipaglaban ng Gilas para sa bayan.
Yung puso is also forgiving about mistakes of people that are close to you. These are Filipinos rin, whatever we say. Sila nag-compete para sa atin. So we should also be forgiving if they err sometimes. And then we can go and look for greater glory or greater heights in our future endeavors.
Yung suporta nila talagang hindi mapapantayan. Pumila sila, tapos naghintay sila, maaga pa lang, nandito na sila. 6 oras na biyahe. Dito, pipila pa, hindi sigurado kung so, marami pang hindi nakapasok.
Maraming salamat sa support ang binigay niyo sa amin. Hindi pa tapos na, kaya tuloy pa itong programa ng Gilas. Kaya salamat.
Ang sarap ng pakiramdam na nakakapagpasaya rin kami ng mga Pilipino sa paglalaro ng basketball. Diba?
Sa mga nakaraang taon, masasabi pa ring malayo ang narating ng Philippine basketball sa world stage. Ilang dekadang pagiging kapos sa Asian at World Championships ang napawi rin. Salamat sa magigiting na pakikipagsapalaran ng ating mga manlalaro ng Gilas. Ngayong 2015, may bagong milestone na nais na muling makamit ang Pilipinas basketball. Ang muling makabalik sa Olympics. Mula noong isinama ang larong basketball bilang Olympic discipline noong 1936, naging parte na ang Pilipinas sa kasaysayan nito. Sa katunayan, ilang beses ding naging regular qualifier ang Pilipinas rito.
Magbuhat nung inumpisahan ang basketball sa Olympics. That was in 1936 sa Munich Olympics. The first ever. Kasali na tayo. Lahat ng game nila na nilaro ron, natalo sila sa US lamang. Unfortunately, because of that sa quarterfinals, because natalo nga tayo sa US, we ended up only number 5. That was the highest finish we ever had in the Olympic Games. One thing led to another. Nung araw talagang malakas tayo, walang tumatalo sa atin sa basketball. Masyadong na-inculcate sa atin ng YMCA ang basketball. Nagustuhan ng Pilipino.
Insayado lahat yung mga kasamahan mo. Wala ka nang gagawin kundi matulog, kumain, mag-ensayo, matulog, kumain, mag-practice. Sakripisyo na lang. Pati pamilya, sacrifice.
The world is changing. The way sports is played is changing. Sports is now very professional. It is a profession.
Huling nag-qualify ang Pilipinas sa Olympics noong 1972, kung saan nakatapos sila ng 13th overall. Magmula noon, naging mailap ang Philippine basketball na muling makadaong sa prestihiyosong event na ito.
Kailan nag-umpisa ang Olympic Games? 1902 yata o 1904. nakagisa na ng tao. Talagang the Olympic Games. Lahat na pupunta sa Olympic Games. Maliliit pa tayo mga bata, basketball na ang laro. Kaya madali tayong nag-improve sa basketball.
Palagi concentrated ka, ano ang laro ni ganito. Hindi ko naman inintindi yung forward, inintindi ko rin, guardia rin. Kumbaga tapatan na tayo, tapatan na kayo, dito na. Malayo pa ang game, parang kakainin namin yung kalaban. Parang kanya, uhaw na uhaw kami sa panalo, uhaw na uhaw sa kalaban.
There is a certain prestige to being an Olympian. Maski dito sa atin, di lang dito sa atin, all over the world, there is such a thing as the Olympian. Pag sinabing Olympian ka, medyo iba tingin. So, nakarating ka sa Olympic Games.
Mabigat-bigat itong makakalaban natin sa FIBA Asia. No? It's all about preparation, hard work, and discipline. Itong character ng team, definitely dapat may puso yan. Whatever happens, alam natin yung mga player na nagsusuot ng jersey ng Pilipinas, na nagsusuot ng jersey na nakalagay Gilas, lalaban. Because yan ang isang karakteristik ng Filipino national basketball team player. And who knows, maybe we will win the championship. Ang nakataya dito is a ticket to the Olympics in Rio de Janeiro.
Ilang linggo lang pagkatapos ng 40th season ng PBA, una nang nagpulong ang ilan sa mga kasapi ng bagong Gilas Pilipinas Training Pool para mag-warm up bago mag-umpisa ang official preparations nila. Marami mang mga pamilyar na muka, marami na ring pagbabago ang mapapansin sa koponang ito. Ang tanging di nagbabago ay ang pagkakaroon pa rin ng mga sagabal, ang pangangailangan na magsakripisyo, at ang paniniwala ng lahat ng miyembro na kaya nilang lagpasan ang mga ito patungo sa tagumpay.
Committing ourselves to doing that the right way. You know, and really make a commitment to forget the player that you are. Understand there might need to be some changes, and we need to play hand in glove. Okay. So what I mean by that is whatever our system is, those five guys make the glove is the system. 5 fingers have got to fit. You got to fit the system. You got to make it work. Not me. I'll give it to you to make it work. Again, it's exciting to put this shirt on as opposed to our club shirt. It means a lot to me. New Zealand media the other day, they asked me about it. And I said, the only thing I can think about, and I got chill bumps right now talking about this, is putting a shirt on with those 5 rings on it again. It's the only thing I can think of. There's nothing left. We have a chance to get that. We have a chance. I mean, we got a great chance.
Para masukat ang iyong kayang abutin, mainam na muling balikan ang iyong pinanggalingan.
Wild shot! Ito, pass it third. Pinasa, Gerald, Kamabul! Look at that. Follow-up jab there. Already stopped with nobody putting the body on him.
Las Pilipinas finally picks up a victory na Asno nakapanalo sa pandaigdigang entablado.
I remember when we started the Gilas program in 2008, we were in the 60s, ranked 60. We were jumping levels in the ranking, the biggest leap sa atin. Maganda yung programang naumpisahan na. Ang objective kasi natin, ibalik ang Pilipinas sa mapa ng basketball world. We have achieved that goal. We still want to get better and better, get higher and higher, get stronger. And of course, the elusive dream of making the Olympics is now the objective of this Gilas 3.0.
I think it was just the foundation for the program moving forward, and hopefully we can continue to compete at that level. And I think last year in the World Cup, we showed that we belong there and that we could compete against the best. You know, the tough part now is continuing that process and making sure we stay there.
I've been around so long, I've seen how much Philippine basketball has changed. From going from, you know, like playing NBA-style rules during the season and then having to adapt to FIBA-style basketball, you can see the changes. You know, guys are picking up faster. But as far as the growth, man, it's unbelievable, especially next year or two when you got Keith, Ray Parks, Kobe Paras coming in. So the talent's to the roof. You know, now we just got to pray that Junmar stays healthy. Because Junmar and Greg are going to be the one carrying the torch from now on.
At sa paglakbay sa buhay, may kaakibat na timbang ang bawat karanasan, maging sa tagumpay man o sa kabiguan. Ngunit di masusukat ang sakripisyong ibinigay ng bawat kasapi ng paglalayag na ito. Gaano man kalaki o kaliit ito sa mata ng iba, at maging anuman ang papel mo rito. At ngayong 2015, magsisimula ang bagong kabanata sa paglayag ng Philippine basketball at ang bagong sukatan sa ating pagsulong bilang isang bansa. Ano nga ba ang sukatan ng pagiging Pilipino? Ano man ang iyong naging batayan, ang importante ay patuloy pa rin tayong gumalaw at umusad sa pagtukoy at pagpapatunay nito. Maging anuman ang hugis, kulay, estado sa buhay, at papel mo sa ating lipunan. Pagdating naman sa pagsisikap patungo sa isang madangal na layunin, nararapat lang na patuloy mong bitbitin ang pagtiwala.
These next 40 minutes, let's go out and get it. Stay disciplined what we do, stay together, keep our composure, let's go out and get it.
Dahil sa mga tao't sambayanan na naniniwala, ang abot tanaw ay walang hangganan.
Puso!